Hello, I'm Brandon Barnett. I hear the train coming, it's rolling around the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when, but I'm stuck in Folsom prison, and time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps rolling on down to San Antone. Let's see if we can slow this train down for a beginner lesson in Johnny Cash's Folsom Prison Blues. I'm stuck, okay, I'm stuck. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. Back to E. But that train, B7 on train, train keeps a-rolling on down to San Antone. San Antone, back to the E, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, you're not moving anything, you're just keeping that B7, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so on the 5th string, and then you move down to the 4th string, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Back up to the 5th. One time. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. And that's what we were doing earlier, where you're just bending that on the 6th string, on the 2nd fret, bend that. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. So practice that and then try to get into that. That's a booger. Oh, but it sounds so good when it works.